Shop is a little busy today as I have a whole bunch of things to work on. The body of the P is going to get finished welded, primered. I'm pretty much waiting on things for everything. I'm waiting on the backing plate for the VBB motor, and I just realized that if I swap this crank for my GL crank, it'll be pretty badass. Swapping out the stator for a different kit. Dave's headed over with the wiring harness, so this will hopefully get the fork, possibly motor shocks in here, and have a rolling frame. Waiting to respray the VBA. Got some more body work to do on the GS. This one's going to get worked on probably right after the P-frame to get it into primer. But the scooter hoarding project continues as went and picked up a few from my buddy. I've got a GL that I think is mostly okay, just needs to be cleaned up and get everything together. And then a whole bunch of small frames. Also got another SS frame here to build, so that one looks pretty close to spraying. But there's a whole bunch of stuff to go through and figure out what, all we have. And this is the VBB that the motor goes to. The small frame had a party and the stator plate, so that might be a second. And the new P I picked up in December, which needs a little cleanup. Gas tank is kind of gross. And a couple of small frames that were part of the deal. So if anyone wants to build some small frames, let me know. I would be happy to move some of these small frame projects on.